I'm going to show you a little bit of Hollywood and our old stomping grounds. Let's have some fun on the way. Come on.
Join us as we pick up right where we left off, back in the neighborhoods where my old band once walked the streets. Today we're heading down Hollywood Boulevard to relive some unforgettable memories.
This one, unbelievable.
Come outside with us.
This is the corner liquor store where Pete used to get his cigarettes. He knew everybody down here. We'd hang down here sometimes because we were walking around as a band. So straight ahead of us, this used to be Frederick's of Hollywood. I think that, it's called the Hollywood Toy Costume Store. I don't know what. Used to be famous for Frederick's of Hollywood, if you recall what that is. Right around here is a place called Black's. That's where I got my first job here on Hollywood Boulevard. And later on, I was able to get a job at Capitol Records. Goodness gracious, great balls of fire! Oh, Pat Morita. Very cool. This is a club. They were having bands play here for a short time because they were struggling with any other business. Very famous. Never been here though. Historic Egyptian theater is still there.
Nice, like a sugar and spice, my feel.
Founded in 1977, GIT, or Musicians Institute, isn't just a school, it's a launchpad for legends where students learn directly from working professionals and walk the same halls as artists who went on to define rock, metal, and alternative music. The Hollywood Wax Museum opened in 1965 and quickly became one of Hollywood Boulevard's most famous attractions, showcasing lifelike wax figures of celebrities from classic film icons to modern stars.
Looks like they got some kind of festival coming up here. I don't know. Looks like we can still walk through on the sidewalks. Let's check it out.
The Dodgers.
Okay, so there you go. Hey God bless you.
Slash.
And slash. Quentin Tarantino. I guess we're not going in there today. But maybe we can capture some of these signatures. Here's Eddie Murphy. Steven Spielberg. Harrison Ford. Oh, I'm the almighty Bruce Lee.
Oh yeah. That's right. It's coming.
This was a spot I remember back in the day that it had a bunch of rooms down in the basement, and there were bands playing in all the different rooms. It was really cool. Very dark and mysterious. Lots of punk bands were playing back then, though. Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah, Alice. So again, Hollywood Boulevard is closed down because they have a premiere of a movie called Stranger Things. So normally there'd be a lot of traffic down here and stuff, or depending on what they're doing. Oh yeah, still strolling. We're doing Hollywood Boulevard right now. Oh, what happened? This one just ran off again. I'll probably have to go find her. Oh yeah, Dr. Dre. And up here, we got Snoop. You can't? Yeah, I'm having some malfunctions. So what do you think so far? Pretty cool, right? Yeah, we're gonna make the best of it. We'll see some other cool stuff. We got a special thing. We're gonna go to the cemetery. Do you dare? Why do you want to go to the cemetery? You'll find out. Keep watching. think I found a way up to level 3. Let's try this one. This must be the way to the top. We'll see what we get, yeah? Maybe it looks down into the Kodak Theater. Oh. Right, I guess I got this area all blocked off because of the movie premiere, so let's see if I can find Mary Jean and find some other trouble to get into. And Kobe Bryant. I think she's probably over on the other side. Give it a try anyway. Let's capture this. Look how they have these succulents. Torture Museum. Let's check it out. Oh, cool. Is there a charge to get in, man?
Yeah, 30 bucks.
I bought them here.
Still have them?
All right, this is world famous Michelli's. This is where I had the opportunity to meet Quiet Riot's singer Kevin DeBro. He was a good man, and he bought me a Beck's beer. Great memories. This is a cool, popular club. It's called Bordner's. It's still here today. Very cool. Back in the day, full of long-haired rockers, man, and we were one of them. Just packed. And they eventually took over both sides of this building. So really cool, big long history of hanging around back in the day. You guys missed out. We are in Chinatown. We found some cool parking. It's nearby. We're gonna get some food and show you what Chinatown's like in Los Angeles.
I was born here.
These are the warnings that we've been given for our lifetime. Smell the coffee. Stop and smell the roses. Have your cake. long before it's through. This is what we do in our lifetime.
Oh, I'm so sorry. He's the only one probably.
We found a great restaurant here that may or may not be the place where Mary Jean's dad used to cook way back in the day. We're not really for sure, but we decided to come here and get some lunch and just kind of get some authentic Chinese food. We've been waiting forever. Telling you, man. You wish you were here? I agree. See you next time.
So, very special time and a very special moment for me. I'm going to see the gravesite of the great Ronnie James Dio. He was a super huge mentor for me, and back in the days when I was a musician, he was my idol. I was lucky enough to go to the public funeral that they had when Ronnie passed away 15 years ago, I think. So I'm going here today. The great Liberace.
And that's it for Back Home in LA, Episode 2. Join us next week as we visit Santee Alley, the fashion district downtown, fine dining at our favorite Mexican restaurant, and the opportunity to train with my sensei, Master Heroian. See you next time, outside.
Come outside with us, let the rhythm flow, feel the earth beneath, let your spirit go, laughing with the trees, dancing in the breeze, in this vibrant world, find your heart's release.